In this video, let us see if a number is given, how to print all its digits. Suppose if input is 1, 2, 3, we have to get output as 3, 2, 1 separately. So algorithm goes like this. Initially, you have to read the number as 1, 2, 3. Check if the number is 0. If yes, go to step 7. Else go to step 3. In our case, the current number is not 0. So we are going to step 3. Divide the number by 10 and store the remainder. If 1, 2, 3 is divided by 10, then 3 is going to be the remainder. So here R becomes number mod 10. That is nothing but 3. You have to print the digit 3. Now, the number 1, 2, 3 has to be shortened by 1 digit. It should become 12. So this can happen by taking the quotient. We need to divide the number by 10 and take the floor part of it. So number becomes 12 now. Now again go to step 2. So here looping happens. Now the number is 12. It is not equal to 0. So you have to go to step 3. Same process has to be repeated until the number becomes 0. So before the number becomes 0, all the digits 3, 2, 1 are going to be printed. Now we understood the algorithm. Let us see how flowchart for this looks like. Open the Raptor tool. And just translating the algorithm that we have written into the flowchart. I need to read the number initially. For this, I am bringing the input box. So here, let me prompt saying that enter the number. And this number I am storing into a variable known as num. Now, the second step of the algorithm is checking if the number is 0. So from 2 to 6, we need to run a loop. So let me introduce the looping element here. Within the loop, there is a condition. So here I need to check whether the num is equal to 0. If num is equal to 0, then we need to exit. If not, what we have to do, it is mentioned in the algorithm. If the number is not 0, we need to divide the number by 10 and store the remainder. So let us open our Raptor. Here, let me bring the assignment element. So let me call my remainder as R. R has to be set to number mod 2. In our case, number is stored in a variable known as num. So num mod 10. And this R has to be printed because our output should show each and every digit separately. Here, let me pull out the output box element and say, let me print R. And now the number has to be shortened. 1, 2, 3 has to be decreased to 1, 2. For this, we need to bring assignment box and say, set your number to floor of number by 10. So this process continues till your num becomes 0. Let us try to execute the program. I am entering the number as 1, 2, 3. And if you see the output 3, 2, 1 are displayed separately. Hope this algorithm and flowchart are clear to you. Thank you.